Hello and welcome to another week of the Cooking Light Taste Test. I'm Chris.
And I'm Jamie.
And this week,
we're trying dried fruit.
We're gonna, as always, try it for taste, and then we're going to look at it to see whether or not it meets our nutritional standards. All right, let's start. I love kiwi. These you often find at the bulk section of a grocery store, and I will say, I think they're probably high in sugar.
It is like, it does look like it's dusted in something, but they're really, really tasty. They kind of remind me of like harder gummy bears. Look at that tiny one. It's a tiny kiwi.
This is like a candy replacement for me. I would totally snack on this.
At the movies or something. Agreed.
Exactly.
Yeah. These are like a 4.5 for me.
Taste-wise, I'm right with you. This is like a 4.5.
These look funny.
I'm going to guess that these are papaya.
It tastes like mango a little bit to me, but I could see papaya too.
I think papaya might be a little redder. It might be mango. This is dried
oh my gosh.
cantaloupe. So soft, it's super sweet.
It's so sweet. It tastes like it was just dipped in powdered sugar.
You know what I would do with this? I would chop this up into small pieces and put this in granola.
I prefer the kiwi. What about you?
I think I kind of prefer this.
I'd rank this like, it's still good, but it's a little cloying for me. I'd give it like a 3.5.
I'm gonna give this like 4.75.
Ooh, could this be a peach?
I bet these are peaches.
They look like the peach O candies, but not in an O shape. Orange. Grapefruit?
That is so candy-like. That's, I mean, it's like tart a little bit. This is the yummiest for me. I have to go 5 stars. I don't even know what it is yet.
This is like a 4 for me.
It's papaya.
It's papaya.
This is 100 times better than the papaya I used to have growing
Your
up.
hippie papaya?
Yes, this is so much better. I wonder if there's like a citric acid or something that has been added to this one.
To make it more citrusy.
It's not just straight dried papaya.
Yeah.
Rolled in a little bit of sugar.
Does your mouth ever hurt after eating papaya?
Mm-mm.
Because there's an enzyme that actually like eats your skin a little bit. Well, my mouth is feeling okay, so I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead.
Oh, I know what this is.
Is this star fruit?
These are star fruit.
They look like sea stars, like the starfish. Like,
Look at that.
Look
at that. Some of them,
They are really cute.
some of them are a little broken. Like this one, that's like,
Womp womp.
it tried. It gave its best. Don't stop. No? I feel like it's about as good as star fruit is compared to.
I really wish the skin wasn't on it. I think if like you took away the outside skin and just ate the middle, it would be a lot more soft and pleasant.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with a 3.5 on that.
I'm giving that like a 2.5.
So these obviously were purchased in bulk, which means that we don't have access to the nutritional information. But what we can do is use the internet to look up some of that, which may be analogous.
So these are the kiwi, and in them are kiwi, cane sugar, citric acid, sulfur dioxide, blue and yellow food coloring.
Really?
That's why they're so bright green.
I find that kind of disappointing. It's like finding out that your favorite apple is like has been waxed or whatever to make to look pretty.
I mean, but kiwis are not this green, in all fairness. But it doesn't change my love for them.
So these are papaya spears with lime. So this is papaya, cane sugar, lime juice, citric acid, sulfur dioxide, and lemon flavor. But it doesn't have any food dye.
No food dye.
So this one wins in the slightly more natural department. I'm looking up dried kiwi from a company. So this isn't exactly the same, but the ingredients on that are kiwi, sugar, citric acid, sulfur dioxide, and blue number 2.
So pretty similar, if not
So
the same.
again, it's gonna be about the same. A serving size of 100 grams contains 370 calories. It's 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, 240 milligrams of sodium, which is pretty low, but only 1 gram of dietary fiber and 67 grams of sugars.
That's like 2 16-ounce Coca-Colas.
That's a lot.
Or 12-ounce Coca-Colas.
100 grams is 3.5 ounces.
Okay, so that'd be half of this container. I don't think that would be an average serving size, unless you really like them like I do.
Okay, so, but even if you cut that in half, and just had 50 grams,
Which
or
is like maybe
like 1.75.
this much would be like 50 grams.
That's still
30 something grams of sugar. I wish we knew how much was added and how much was naturally in the fruit though.
I would guess that a lot of it's added.
Probably.
Yeah. So again, I think these are definitely a food that like it's probably less of a good idea to snack on it directly. It is much more like candy, but certainly it would be great for cooking with, throwing into a trail mix or granola. Okay, well that's it for this week's Cooking Light taste test. Thank you again for watching. I'm Chris.
And I'm Jamie. Guys, if you're watching right now, comment below and tell us your favorite dried fruit and how you use it. We always read the comments.
And if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to click the subscribe button and you'll get alerted when we have a new episode out. Thanks again.
Bye.